Here's that crack. Did put the 2 screws on each side where I found the studs. First thing you want to do is lay a bed of all-purpose joint compound over the crack. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too thin either. You're going to bed the fiber fuse down into it. This fiber fuse is super strong drywall tape. So you just lay it in the bed of mud. I'm going to need a little more over here. Start from the center and pull one way. That way the tape's not going to lift. Just try and keep it smooth as you can. You don't want to push too much mud out, and you want the tape to be sitting nicely in the bed. And then after you've got it bedded, you want to go over it one more time with the mud and let it dry. Again, this tape is the best that you can use for cracks. Alright, so we'll let that dry. Subscribe for more skim coating and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.